Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the TV. Confirm Wi-Fi is active and you're signed into your Samsung account so settings sync. Once done, pick up the remote and press home to open Smart Hub or apps. Make sure the TV firmware is up to date. Outdated software can hide or prevent app installation. If you already see YouTube in the apps list, move to Install or Open it now. These steps establish connectivity and permissions so the app can run correctly. Next, install and sign into YouTube. Search for YouTube in the App Store and select Install or Update so you have the latest version. Once opened, choose Sign In. The app will show an activation code and instructions. Use your phone or computer to visit the activation page and enter the code. That links your account without typing passwords on TV. Make sure to select the correct Google account so subscriptions and recommendations appear. This pairing gives full access to history, playlists, and subscriptions. Finally, verify the connection by playing a short video and checking audio and picture. Adjust settings if needed. If the app won't load, reboot the TV and router, confirm adequate internet speed, then reinstall YouTube from apps. If activation fails, repeat the sign in using the on-screen code and ensure you're using the same network on both devices. As one troubleshooting tip, enabling IPv6 or switching DNS back to automatic often resolves stubborn app connectivity problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.